Hello everyone, myself Muni Kumari, science teacher in KM Public School. Today, our school is celebrating Biofuel Day. The World Biofuel Day is observed every year on 10th August to create awareness about the importance of non-fossil fuels as an alternative to conventional fossil fuels and to highlight the various efforts made by the government in biofuel sector. The World Biofuel Day is being celebrated by Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas since 2015. Biofuel programs is also in synergy with the Government of India initiative of Atmanirbhar Bharat, and accordingly the theme for the World Biofuel Day 2020 has been chosen. This day also honors the research experiment by Sir Rudolf Diesel, who ran an engine with peanut oil in year 1893. His research experiment has predicted that vegetable oil is going to replace fossil fuels in the next century. India, being a large agricultural economy, there is a large amount of agricultural waste. Therefore, the scope of producing biofuel is huge in the country. Biofuels are derived from the renewable biomass resources and therefore provide an advantage to promote sustainable development and to meet the rapidly increasing requirement for transport fuels associated with the high economic growth as well as in meeting the energy needs of India. Biofuels are environment friendly fuels and their utilization would address global concern about the regulation of carbon emulsion. Biofuels has benefit of reducing import dependency on the oil fuel, crude oil, additional income to the farmers and employment generation in rural areas. With the recent rise in the oil price along with growing concern about the global warming caused by the carbon dioxide emulsion, biofuel has been regaining popularity. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Garima from class 11th. Today I am telling you about the categories of biofuels used in India. Bioethanol. Ethanol is an organic chemical compound derived from alcohol. In the case of biofuels, ethanol is produced from material like sugarcane, sugar beets, materials containing starch, and from waste material made from wood and industrial wastes. Biodiesels. It is a diesel with unedible oil, vegetable oil and acid oils or animal fats as its base ingredient. Advanced biofuels. Fuels that are produced from fed stocks, non-food crop or industrial waste. Such fuels have low CO2 emissions and do not compete with crop for land use. Fuels derived from 3G biofuels like biohydrogen and biomethanes can termed as advanced biofuels. Drop-in fuels. Liquid fuels produced from biomass, industrial wastes, etc. are categorized as drop-in fuels. They should meet the prescribed standard in pure or blended form. Bio-CNG. A pure form of biogas created whose composition is similar to that of fossil fuels. Its raw material consists of animal dung, sewage water and food waste.
Hi all of you, my name is Ridhima Singh. I read in class 8th and I am from KM Public School Bhiwani. Today I am giving a speech on the World Biofuel Day. So my topic is ethanol. Ethanol fuel is the most common biofuel worldwide. Ethanol is an alcohol fuel produced by fermentation of sugar found in sugarcane, rice, potato skins and is commonly made from wheat, corn, etc. Sugar are fermented into ethanol and the ethanol then distilled into its final form which can be used as fuel. Apart from fermentation, ethanol is also produced by process called hydrolysis, where materials such as lignoglucose, which are found in tissues of plants and other organic matter. The largest national use of ethanol biofuel exists in Brazil. It is also widely used in USA. Together, both countries accounted to 88% of world's ethanol production 2010. Thank you.
Myself Anshika, student of 8th C, going to tell the importance of Biofuel Day. World Fuel Day is celebrated on 10th of August since 2015. It is observed to create awareness about the importance of non-fossil as an alternative to conventional fossil fuels. The theme of this year's Biofuel Day is production of biodiesel from used cooking oil. It is viewed prospects of biofuels as substitutes for petroleum fuels in near future. The Indian government has taken a number of initiatives to increase blending of biofuels. Thank you.
बातें ईंधन के संरक्षण की, जिससे चलती सारी दुनिया बिना रोक टोक के, गाड़ी हो या कल कारखाना या बातें हो घर के गैस सिलेंडर, बिना ईंधन कुछ नहीं चल सकता। सुनो ये बात जानकारी की, कोयला हो या पेट्रोल या बात हो प्राकृतिक गैस की, सीमित है सारे ईंधन, बर्बाद न करो इसे बिना काम किए। प्राप्त करो अधिक से अधिक जानकारी, सौर ऊर्जा व गोबर गैस की, उपयोग करना है इसे हेतु प्राकृतिक गैस की। बचाएं ईंधन, बचाएं धरती, यह उत्तरदायित्व हमारा है। जन जन को जागरूक करो, यह भी उत्तरदायित्व हमारा है। हो कोई संकट, इस हेतु हमें आज बदलना है। करें ऊर्जा की, जिससे खुशहाल हो हमारा भविष्य।
आज मैंने